How to view your account number and routing number in PNC app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can view your account number and routing number in PNC app. For this, you want to launch open the PNC app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for PNC Mobile, then tap on the install button. Once it has been installed, go ahead and tap it open. Now, the first thing you want to do is log into your account. For that, enter your user ID on the first box, and then on the second box, enter your password. After that, tap on the sign on option over here. After this, you will be successfully signed into your PNC account. Now, at the middle part of your screen, you will see a section for virtual wallet. Go ahead and tap on that. Now on the screen, you will see the option for account actions. Tap on that. Under account actions, you will see an option for account and routing numbers. Go ahead and tap on account and routing numbers option. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. To start, select your phone number. Next, select your verification method. You can select either to get a passcode by text or verify by phone. Tap on the option you wish to select. Once you receive the code, you want to enter it, then tap on the submit option. Now you will see your routing and account number. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.